Welcome to this tutorial on enabling the Google Lens search icon in Google Chrome on your PC. With this new update, you can enhance your browsing experience by utilizing visual search capabilities directly from your browser. Let's dive into the steps to enable this feature. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or taskbar. Once Chrome is up and running, look towards the top right corner of the window. Next, click on the three dots located in that corner. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. From here, you will want to select Settings. This is where you can customize many aspects of your Chrome experience. Now that you're in the Settings menu, scroll down to find the Appearance section. Click on it to expand the options available under this category. Here, you'll see several customization features for your toolbar. Look for the option that says Customize your toolbar. Click on it and you'll be presented with various tools and icons that you can enable or disable. Among these options, find Search with Google Lens. To activate it, simply toggle the switch to enable this feature. Once you've enabled the Google Lens search icon, it will appear in your toolbar, allowing you to easily access visual search capabilities whenever you're browsing. This feature lets you search for information using images instead of text, making it a powerful tool for identifying objects, translating text, or exploring similar visuals. In summary, enabling the Google Lens search icon in Chrome is a straightforward process. By following these steps, opening Chrome, accessing settings through the three dots, navigating to Appearance, and customizing your toolbar, you'll be able to enhance your browsing experience significantly. Enjoy exploring the web visually with Google Lens.